The 110 by 10 kilovolt power substation with two 6.3 megawatt transformers is a new project completed by the Voltage Group as the primary engineering consultancy and general contractor. It was essential for us to implement a project within a defined project timeline, keeping high-quality standards and with minimal customer involvement in this process. The main value for our clients is that we at Voltage always have an individual approach to each client and project. Based on our engineering expertise and knowledge base, we are continuously developing different solutions to fulfill clients' needs and demands. In this case, the client requested to increase the permitted capacity by constructing an additional 10 kilovolt network. We determined that with the energy consumption level of the client's enterprise, it is much more economically feasible to switch to another energy consumption class. After our analysis and detailed explanation, the client agreed with the proposed solution to build its own power substation of 110 by 10 kilovolt. The main stages of this project implementation were technical and economic project assessment, complete project design documentation development and getting all the approvals and permits, procurement of the equipment, full scope of civil and electromechanical works, and project commissioning services. Construction of a 110 by 10 kilovolt substation is essential to the client for several reasons. It improves the quality of electricity that the enterprise will receive, increase the power supply reliability, reduces the electricity costs due to the transition to another voltage class. In this project, we applied the most advanced technical solutions from one of the world's largest electrical equipment manufacturers. This is the most technologically advanced transformer substation in terms of modern engineering solutions and high-quality equipment. Of course, we never leave our customers alone with such complex projects after it's built and commissioned. We provide both warranty and post-warranty support to our customers. Having a technical staff with the appropriate knowledge at the site is always essential. At this stage, the project is in operation and benefits its owner. Any enterprise with a high level of electricity consumption should consider building its network with a connection point of 35 kilovolt or 110 kilovolt. This option will allow the consumer to switch to the first class of electricity consumption and reduce electricity distribution costs.